Alright guys, we're going to change the battery on these Toyota keyless entry remotes. Okay. We'll start off by taking a flathead and this groove right here, a little space. Just gently pry that open. Okay, put the back cover to the side, take out the board. Oh, you want to be careful with your buttons. Make sure, take a look before where exactly they go. Put that to the side. Take out this board from this rubber boot. To take out the battery, just slide it out. These remotes take a CR2032 to put it back in, plus side facing up. Slide right in. And now fit it back in, the board in back into the boot, rubber boot, just like that. Take this, let that set in good. Take the back cover, line it up, and click it back into place. And there you have it.